The CorePrep CPG2800 is a 28-inch planetary grinder with 3 grinding discs and a 230-volt 10-horsepower motor. The front wheel is used for transport and removed for grinding. To tilt the machine for access to the grinding heads, put the handle in the upright position and lower the foot bar. To operate this grinder, connect the power and connect the vacuum hose using a 3-inch cam lock attachment for dry grinding. This grinder also has a 6-gallon tank for wet grinding. For more information on Diamond Products CorePrep equipment, contact your local sales rep or call one of our customer service experts at 1-800-321-5336.